Hello, and welcome to our first ever virtual open house. Today you're joining me at 222 St. Patrick at Michener's one and only campus. My name is Dylan Matson. I'm the team lead for admissions and recruitment here at Michener, and I'd like to walk you into our building today following proper protocol. So again, welcome to Michener. Unfortunately this year, due to the pandemic, we're not able to gather here on site together. Typically you would walk through the entrance of Michener and you'd be greeted by our 5 program chairs. You'd be accompanied by your friends, your family, siblings, etc. But instead this year, we're joined together behind computer screens. So to make the best of the pandemic, today we're going to provide all you guests with program videos which will run for approximately 7 to 10 minutes each. And following those videos, you'll have the opportunity live to ask questions to faculty and staff waiting in the chat to answer your questions. To note, for this agenda, we do have an admissions webinar near the end of the day, so we do ask that admissions questions not be asked following the program videos and saved for the admissions webinar. Now I would like to introduce you to the chairs of our programs.